Where are you, Mr. Obama? What are you doing to help? There has been a tragedy in Japan. Do you even know about it? Where are you, Mr. Obama? We need your help. Japan needs your help. You are a leader and needs to help Japan. Send food, help, and water. This is a perfect time to come to help Japan and become allies. This is how you make good friends. Helping. Where are you, Mr. Obama? You have not addressed this tragedy at all. Do you even care? Where are you, Mr. Obama? What would you want others to do if this was to happen to the U.S.? Buildings all over the ground, people gone crazy, people on the ground dead. Would you want to be ignored or helped? Mr. Obama, where are you? Please help.